Part of a homemaker's fulfillment is finding joy in cleaning. All you need in your home is actually a powder cleaner and a liquid, because that's what homemakers clean their homes with. The active ingredient of the powder is baking soda. And active ingredients of the liquid cleaner was two major ingredients: vinegar, a cleaning vinegar, and calamansi. Calamansi is endemic to the Philippines. And so in 2019, I said, I need to come up with a social enterprise that will make calamansi known to the rest of the world. And so hence our third product is the Analyte all-natural disinfectant. And it's made from electrolyzed water with the active ingredient being hypochlorous acid. And why is it natural? Because our own bodies produce hypochlorous acid. And what is it for? It's the part of our body that fights bacteria, germs, viruses, and infections. And so if it comes into contact with you, our bodies are one with the ecosystem. So Analyte all-natural disinfectant is made from electrolyzed water with pure sodium chloride. And what is pure sodium chloride? It's salt. In cleaning, there is really no hard and fast rule in terms of where I should do first or how should I do it, because part of a homemaker's fulfillment is finding joy in cleaning. For the cleaning vinegar with calamansi, I normally recommend try to make the paste. Try to make a paste 1:1. 1 part of powder, our multi-purpose powder cleanser, and 1 part of the cleaning vinegar with calamansi. And some people like to have a more malapot or a thicker paste. And what you just do, you just add a part of the powder, which would make the ratio 2:1. 2 parts powder and 1 part vinegar. And then wash the dishes. The caution there would be for wood with the cleaning vinegar with calamansi, because, it's kind of sensitive. Wood is sensitive. So you just have to test it in an inconspicuous spot for you to see if the wood's not gonna fade. You can pour the multi-purpose powder cleanser by itself on your litter box, and it's safe. As I mentioned, it's really finding the right mix for you and the right blend of combination and what you're most comfortable with. But the best part of it all is gloves free. We're educating people to let them know that there are natural alternatives to home cleaners. And if the pandemic taught us anything, it should be that we go back to basics. We should value what we are cleaning our homes and surfaces and rooms of our homes with. Again, it's not about myself coming out with a new business. It's not about for profit, definitely. I mean, when you come out with a social enterprise, I believe that it's the cost that drives the business more than, the financial. So it's more people, it's more about people and more about the planet. And I'm sure profit will follow.